Cameron. He still has the Cameron chicken smile. He's almost finished with college now.
Is that right? How tall is he?
He's not quite as tall as I am.
But husky, right? No, he plays football.
No, he plays
Hockey, okay.
That person had red eyes.
Jelly. The jelly.
It's Jelly.
Oh, who's that? Caitlin.
I missed that. Who's that boy?
I don't know. He was random. Photobombing. Bum bum bum.
I know, I'm so speedy.
Speedy legend.
Just duck helmet.
Yeah, duck helmet.
Those vintage sandals.
Oh, those are my Birkenstocks, Jed.
No, those are the same sandals you were wearing yesterday, Rob.
Oh.
The same ones you were wearing yesterday.
Yeah. What? Oh, jeez. That means they're 15 years old?
I remember that. That was at Gong's house.
That must mean they're 15 years old, Jed. Those sandals are 15 years old, really? What?
Google had some black hair.
Yeah.
I remember that.
That's a long time ago.
Oh no, B's in the video.
Why don't you take B out? That's why I said to get the right spot.
You keep moving.
I have not moved. I've been here the whole time. That's why I said you should just be behind me so that people can see from the view of me holding it.
Well, I can always film another one. You're not going to make this as your last one.